heart of the American Southwest lies a land sculpted by time, Arizona. Here, vast deserts stretch beyond the horizon, where the golden sun paints the earth in hues of red and orange. Giant rock formations rise like ancient monuments, standing tall against the winds of time. The silence of the desert is powerful. It speaks not in words, but in echoes, of history, of struggle, of survival. Every cactus, every stone, every grain of sand has a story. High above, the mountains stand in stillness, watching over the plains below. Clouds cast shadows across the dry earth, and the wind moves through the canyons like whispers from the past. This land may seem empty to some, but look closer, and you'll see life everywhere. The howl of a coyote in the distance, the flight of a hawk over open skies, the silent patience of a desert lizard sunbathing on a rock. Arizona is more than a place, it's a feeling, wild, free, and eternal. A place where time slows down, and the soul breathes deep. This is nature untouched. This is the desert, in all its glory. This is Arizona.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. Serene